How do we start changing? This is the beginning, all right? And I want you to just think about something. Think about salat. I want you to think about the prayer. When we went out there and made Isha, before you say Allahu Akbar, what do you say? What do? You make your intentions. It's the first thing you do. You say, Nawaitu farda salat al-Isha. It is my intention to make the obligatory prayer of Isha. Right? Or that's what you should be doing. So you make your intention. And then, how do you keep that intention? That's called resolve. So it's not just making the intention. You have to do something that after that, you keep that intention. In salat, it is saying Allahu Akbar. What is Allahu Akbar? What does it mean? What does it mean? Right. So when you enter into the prayer, the reason why you raise your hands, you're doing like this, is because you're throwing the dunya behind you. You're saying Allahu Akbar. Allah is greater than that. Everything I was thinking about, everything I was doing, everything I was listening to, everything I was looking at, Allahu Akbar. Allah is greater than that. But then soon, what happens right after that? Oh, where's my phone? Did I leave the iron on? Oh, I didn't do my homework, right? So what do you have to do? Before you change positions, you remember, Allahu Akbar. What I was thinking about, what I was doing, what I was involved in, Allah is greater than that. Sami Allahu liman hamida. Allahu Akbar. Say it with intention. The salat is a perfect example of how to develop your intention and your resolve. Okay? And when those two come together, you have commitment. When they come together, and then you'll see the person change. When they become committed, you'll see them change. But if they're lacking intention or they're lacking the resolve, you won't see any results. You won't see any results. So resolve in your life, the way it looks is, I know Snag and Skippy. You guys know Snag and Skippy? Snag and Skippy is, I was in DC one time, and me and my man was walking down the street, and he said, he saw these two guys come out of the grocery store that he knew. He said, oh man, there goes Snag and Skippy. What he meant was, these are the problems. These are your stumbling blocks. These are the pitfalls. All right? If you don't think about those things, then you're gonna lose your purpose. You're gonna fail. All right? So when you decide, you know what? I'm gonna give up those McDonald's fries. I'm gonna give them up. They're no good for me. All right? When you decide that, you have to think about Snag and Skippy. You gotta think about, okay, I gotta drive past this McDonald's every day. I've been driving past the same McDonald's for the last 4 years. I need to find a different route so I'm not tempted. That's resolve. You see? And then you might even want to give up. You might want to exchange it for something else, something that's healthy, some healthy snacks. That's resolve. That's what you have to do. So not just the intention, you have to change the system that you have for that thing.